Hello traders, welcome back to FXCM YouTube channel. My name is David Londoño. I'm a trader and I also do market analysis. Today we have a very interesting for all of you video, an indicators video. I know you like those a lot. We're going to be combining the RSI, the Relative Strength Index indicator, and the MACD to confirm reversal signals, right? We also have different videos about the MACD, how it works, how can you take advantage of this tool. So if you want to check that previously on our YouTube channel, you can find them over there as well. We're going to be using this indicator. This is the RSI MACD. This is the combination of both of them. Remember, we're going to be confirming reversals. So this is used for a confirmation, okay? The main usage of it will be just for that. But what I want us to take advantage first is the reading of the price action, right? For example, right here, I want to show you this, what we always check. We have the capture of the liquidity right there. And then we have the change of the structure. Those are the signals we want to see or we want to watch in terms of reading price action. But we can confirm this change on the structure or this reversal signal with the indicators. Right here, we have the signal. We have, remember, the signal will be the cross between the MACD lines, the green and the red one, crossing the signal line, which is the blue one. So that is a signal of a change on the state of delivery on the price, right? So right here we have, right below this information, we have the confirmation on the MACD and the confirmation on the RSI state of delivery. So we can use this information to confirm that this break of the structure or this change on the structure is truth, and we are about to see a reversal movement. Right here, we were being bullish. We take liquidity right there, and we have all this liquidity below us. Now we have the change on the structure, and now we have the signals of the MACD and RSI as well. But as I was telling you before, the main usage of this is just for confirmation. What we want to check is the price action reading first, because right here we have different crosses, right? Different confirmations on the RSI as well, but we didn't have a change on the structure right here, right? This is more like a sideways market. So this is the main advice for this video will be use these indicators just as confirmation, not for taking trades, just for confirm your main idea. And well, that will be all for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And I will see you on the next trading session.